Hello my diamonds, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. So today I bring to you another triple L fashion. So I'm going to make a shirt like this, exactly like this, a men's shirt. I'm sorry man that I wear a shirt like this with two pockets like this. These shirts are mostly respected by men when they are going to attend a certain occasion, like especially weddings, you know. And this is an offer that I was given to my customer that, oh Linnea, I want you to make for me shirts for my wedding, and I'm going to make for people in her family. And I was just thinking that I have to share this with you. And today I'm not going to use the pattern. So if you want me to use maybe to make a pattern for this, then you can just write a comment below. No, you can just write a comment below that no, make for us a pattern. But it's a very easy to make, very fast to sew, and very easy to wear. So let's go, dive in it, come with me. The material, and it's not a cotton, but it's kind of I don't know what do you call it. They say polyester or plastic material, something like this. And then first I hold it like this, and then I fold it thin like this. I fold it like this. So then when I fold it like this, then I hold it again between like this, and then I will measure my length, the length of the shirt. And the very important thing is the chest, you know, the chest for the men. It's very important because a lot of men, it seems like they are small. When you look at them, it's like they are small, but when they will fit in, if you did not measure well, they are not fitting at all. They are not fitting at all. And then I think it's their bones. I don't know what's going on, but I make sure I measure well, exactly well. So first of all, I hold it like this. This is white. I did not hold. And then secondly, I fold it together like this, and then I fold it again, you know, fold it again, okay, I fold it again, like that, yeah. So the length of the shirt, it's 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter here, 80 centimeter I have here. There is my 80 centimeter. I don't know if you can see there for me, 80 centimeter. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, and the chest, the bust is at 42 size, and this 42 size is 107 centimeter. This is the 42 size, okay, which is 107 centimeter. 107 centimeter. Yes. Then this is like the whole. This is the size of a person that is going to wear this shirt. Okay. And then I have to place it on the material here. I already have the length. Let me check if the length is, yes, the length is stand on 80 centimeter, and here I'll be leaving some spaces so any mistake go, then I will not fall with it. I first just like to cut it out on the material. So first I just cut it out like that. This is how I cut it out. Okay, that's how I cut it out. This is the front and this is the back, and let me just cut into back side, front side. Now setting up the arm point. So I will just open this. I want to make something like this. Yes, it's exactly what I'm going to do here. And this is my front. The front. And then I have to make the shoulders not to be really so much up here on the shoulders. I don't know if you can see. Here on the shoulder, this is the shoulders, and then they don't have to be so much up. So I always like to cut a piece here. Yep. That's how does it look like, the arm. Here I'm repeating in the cutting because I want to cut something like this. Here, this one, and this one is a cheetah print. Cheetah. They mostly like to use the cheetah print when they I see it as it's too large, and I'm going just to minimize it and make it small. Now I'm cutting the arm, and the length of the arm is 57 centimeter. 57 centimeter. That's the length of the arm. And here I already fold the arm, facing a little bit of wind, sorry. Already fold the arm like that. Then I will cut the length out. I'll just cut the length out. 57 centimeter. It's here. Then I'll add some extra. And I'll come to 60 centimeters. So I'm going to place this on top. It's just another material of a cheetah, and it's really show African. So I put some pins here so I can sew it on position. Joining the front and the back together. I'm just now joining them together. So this is my front and this is my back. This is how I join the front and the back. Don't worry about the shirt is so big because the person who's going to wear this is as well. And you will see how the final. Don't worry guys, because this shirt is not my size. It's the size of this person is so like he have a big size, is like size 40. He's wearing size 40, and I'm just in so I can show you how I finish it. So this is how the shirt looks like, and don't worry about this. This was just was my shirt, you know, and this is how it looked like, you know, when I turn like that. Shirt. So we have come to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, from me, on behalf of my colleagues, the Triple L Fashion, we say ciao ciao. Until next time, live well, serve and shine like a diamond. So love you.